Hello?
Hello, is this Judith?
It is.
Well, this is Paula Deen calling you, Judith.
Well, hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much for calling.
You are so welcome. Thank you so much for the question. And right now, I don't even know what the question is, so I hope I can answer it.
You don't know what it is?
No, I don't know what the question is yet. They're wanting to surprise me.
Oh, good.
I think they want to catch me with my britches down, Judith.
No, it's actually more about your shirt.
My shirt. Okay, not my britches, but my shirt. All right, oh my gosh. I see this shirt.
Oh, you see?
They just handed me a picture of the shirt apparently you're inquiring about.
I was listening to the soup recipe and watching it all very carefully,
Uh-huh.
and I thought, I really want that shirt. I love that shirt. I wonder if she remembers where she got it.
Where did I get that shirt, Eddie? I didn't get it here in town. I'll send it to you.
Oh, no, Paula, you can't do that.
Yes, I can.
It looks so fabulous on you. I just love it.
Well, I'm going to send you the top.
If you can find it. If you can find it.
My producer just said, if you can find it. He's seen my closet, Judith.
It was the show. The show was in October,
Uh-huh.
and I was surprised that we still saw that particular show. It was one of, I guess, the earlier Positively Paula's,
Uh-huh.
and I really love the show.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Judith.
And you always look fabulous.
Oh,
with
well,
that shirt
thank
that
you.
Sparkled.
Well, I love that you love it. And I want you to have it.
Oh, bless
So,
your heart.
so I will get your address when we're not filming. I don't want to send your address out to the public.
world.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
God.
So that is just great. And then I want you to send me a picture of you wearing it.
I truly will.
Oh,
I really, really will.
my
And
gosh.
I can't thank you enough for dealing with this silly question.
Oh, listen, you're so welcome, Judith. I have to admit, the crazier the question, the more I like it. So.
Oh, good. I'm sort of that way, too.
So I wish I was wearing that top today, but I'm not.
Well, you should wear it another time before you send it to me because it looks fabulous on you.
Well, thank you so much. I wish
And
I could remember.
Your recipes they're just captivating, really.
Oh,
It's really,
gosh,
I wish
Judith.
I could cook more of them, but I'm not that great a cook, but
I bet you are.
I'm trying.
The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300. What state are you in, Judith?
Well, I'm in Delaware now, which is where I'm from. I'm at the Delaware shore,
Uh-huh.
and near the beach. And I moved here from New York City and then New Hampshire, but
Wow.
I came home to roost.
My assistant, Eddie, is from New Hampshire.
Really? Whereabouts?
Manchester?
Oh, I was in Wolfboro, which is on the Big Lake.
Wolfboro.
Yeah, I loved it.
Above
But
what,
it was
Eddie?
It was time to be near family.
Right above Lake Wickakapasapi.
Winnipesaukee.
Yeah, that one too.
You should go there sometime. It's really incredible.
Well, I tell you what, Eddie has told me about how cold it is and how deep the snow gets.
Oh, yes.
And
the lake is still iced over right now.
oh, it is.
Yeah.
So you could ice skate on it.
Oh, yeah. The whole lake is
No.
like 3 miles wide.
No. Well, it's going to be in the 80s here today.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
It's so strange that our country it's the same country, but temperatures are so different.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Unbelievable. Even in Delaware, I mean, I moved this far south, and it's in the 50s still today. So.
It is.
Yep.
Well, to me, that's perfect temperature. I
Yeah.
have lived every moment of my life in Georgia, and I still hadn't acclimated to the heat yet.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like it real hot. But
Well, you should go visit Lake Winnipesaukee.
I think the first requirement is you be able to say it to get there. I don't know that I can say that name. Listen, Eddie and I, my assistant, we've been together 2 years, and I can just now say his last name.
What is it?
Oh. Okay, just give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Zorovovich.
Torabovich?
Zorovovich.
Zorbovich. Oh,
Uh-huh.
my. Well, that didn't take me 2 years to learn.
Well, it did me. I got a hard head, Judith.
Funny.
I'm so proud that I can say it. So that lake is totally out of the question.
Oh.
Well, listen, I'm gonna go into my closet. I'm gonna find this shirt. I'm gonna send it to you, and I'm gonna be waiting on pictures of you
I'm so
in
excited.
it. Well, Judith, thank you so much for your love and support and loving our show.
Thank you so much for doing what you're doing.
Well, you are so welcome, dear.
Okay.
And I
Thank
hope
you
you
for
have
calling.
a blessed day. You're so welcome.
Thank you. You too, Paula.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I love that. And I still got that shirt, so I'm going to be able to send it to her. Well, as you can see, I'm making phone calls with What's Cooking with Paula Deen today and trying to answer some questions. I hope y'all enjoyed my conversation with Judith. She was so sweet. And who knows, you send in a question, and I might be calling you. Bye-bye. The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.